In the realm of modern cooking, time-saving innovations are always welcome. Homdox 5-in-1 Electric Cheese Grater, a 2023 upgrade, is more than just a kitchen gadget. It's your sous chef, your prep expert, and your recipe enhancer. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore how this remarkable machine can transform your cooking experience, make meal preparation a breeze, and save you valuable time in the kitchen. A multifunctional kitchen dynamo, Homdox 5-in-1 Electric Cheese Grater is aptly named, and it lives up to its reputation. With 5 interchangeable stainless steel blades, this kitchen dynamo effortlessly handles a wide variety of tasks. The slicing blade, fine shredding blade, coarse shredding blade, wave slicing blade, and grinding blade cover everything from slicing vegetables to shredding cheese. Whether you're preparing salads, garnishes, or main dishes, this versatile machine has you covered. Click the link below to explore the full product specifications and bring home the future of culinary convenience. Power and speed in one touch. Say goodbye to time-consuming manual slicing and shredding. Thanks to its robust 250-watt motor, this electric cheese grater is a powerhouse when it comes to preparing ingredients. You'll find that slicing, chopping, or cutting fruits, vegetables, and cheese is done with remarkable speed and precision. It's as simple as placing your ingredients and pressing a button. The days of labor-intensive prep work are over, giving you more time to savor your culinary creations. Convenience at its core. To enhance your cooking experience, the designers of this electric grater have considered every detail. The widened feed inlet can accommodate more ingredients at once, making large-scale preparations effortless. A pusher ensures your hands' safety during operation, and the compact design means it won't monopolize your kitchen space. Plus, it's constructed from BPA-free material, ensuring that your food remains hygienic and safe. Simplicity and safety with one-button operation. Ease of use is paramount, and this grater achieves it with one-button operation. The process is straightforward. Place your food in the feeding port, switch the on/off to on, push the food, and watch as perfectly sliced or shredded ingredients emerge from the outlet tube. Safety is a top priority, so remember to switch off and unplug the device after use. Effortless cleanup for more enjoyable cooking. After enjoying the convenience of the Homdox 5-in-1 Electric Cheese Grater, you'll be pleased to discover that cleaning is equally hassle-free. The stainless steel shell wipes clean with ease. Additionally, the inlet, outlet tube, and blade cones are all removable for a thorough and effortless cleaning process. There are no annoying, time-consuming steps to worry about. To prolong the service life of your grater, always ensure it's thoroughly dry after cleaning. Homdox 5-in-1 Electric Cheese Grater represents more than just a kitchen appliance. It's a culinary partner that elevates your cooking game. It streamlines your meal prep, ensuring that you can focus on the creative aspects of cooking rather than the laborious ones. Ready to experience culinary convenience like never before. In summary, the 5-in-1 Electric Cheese Grater has earned its place as a kitchen dynamo. It embodies innovation, efficiency, and culinary convenience. Experience cooking as it should be: creative, enjoyable, and free from the laborious aspects of meal prep. Your culinary creations deserve the best, and this grater is here to deliver it. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.